Isirkaalei kesda potu komorata kediswa makaluke district na pepekeda Akoriok opon epone lada jaunatar keskeda julan kineta ituleste aina peta nu Loda polo kinit etim loka Isirkaalei konyount kotomuno kimaka Colonel Vincent Omolo ngesalim da besia utukusa kironwi pu ide rabit ebe Akoriok no etingunete aina peta nuka operation wealth creation kese jaunete kerera ajular kreta nuka joka.
The students that I'm leading are on a study tour to the district of Serere and Kaberamaido on the issue of enhancing socio-economic development through the creation, and they are on a fact-finding mission to find out how many out of the 68% of the people who are outside the money economy have crossed into the money economy by checking indicators in terms of the number of model farmers from those who were not in model farming before operational creation, and now that we are only 18 years towards reaching the 2040 in realization of the national dream. So
apoda Isirkaalei ko pejo kisi misiri ninuka Akoriok ko solida ai pejo kin ai boisit naida Eminas Akoriok ai gwaike kechi borodar elem to kotomuno amisirin tete Kenya rejo kyar itia sine pirita agwela ai boisho nu chenu de pejo kinda kese moratos epona lipiseri pege kereda edayari loda kamunara kida kironu kadada ayonyun ebe etinguna kirenuka kile kojokan Robert Oloke depet kotomona ngulu da episete ipege ngesda bu kolim da ebe ai pitna kai pege ne serai borene jok ido e yauni ameda kotomada ilapio idis.
So when you fail to put things, you find that they will eating the wall, the cement, because they will do like in seal to their food. And the important thing with them, water should be available always. Clean water.
If you have water, the conversion rate is high. Yeah. And they will not eat as much as you have. So now, like for us, we need to plant things. Kuma wiki.
George Alex Engulu loda chute jatar kede emuchuga ikito kedira ni chelo gitigita ngisabada ebe aina peta no cooperation wealth creation kesa aya utwa jona kreta nuka joka kutumnada ajara ken
to educate my children. My elder boy is now, he has masters, he's working with National Water and Sewer Corporation. From the money I got from selling oranges.
So we have moved in a number of villages and found very impressive results from the people. That a great deal of number of people have already crossed poverty line.
Ingarno koloke district kesda port turoto apogana ka NRM kanuka nyunda ibe Isirkaalei keselom na arte kutomna kiro nukada isisha eponele pedotala ingarain aijul aijarna kaitunga mere akironi kenora keda emudu bon. Michael Anyinge, TV East, Kaberamaido District.